the night of 23rd and 24th week, I got a call at 2:30 a.m. stating that she suffered cardiac arrest and she could not be revived.
The hospital report that we received stated cardiac arrest. So majority of the reports received by people, either they say cardiac arrest or they say respiratory failure. Now it is extremely, it's unimaginable, it's unthinkable to say that 20 people, one after another, suffered a cardiac arrest, right? I mean, how can that happen?
This report that's submitted yesterday by Delhi Police, this is totally false. I mean, obviously, you just saw the summary of things. You did not do any sort of investigation, did not go into any sort of details.
People were coming with their own oxygen cylinders for their people. And like you could see that definitely this is oxygen shortage. There were fights happening over oxygen tankers, right? And then somebody to come up and say that this did not happen at all. This is just so insulting.
The status report, which also has the reply of the hospital, stated that on scrutiny of death summaries of all deceased persons, it revealed that no death of any patient was caused due to shortage of oxygen. However, Jaipur Golden Hospital told the court that during the relevant time period, the oxygen supply was not refilled for 30 hours, which resulted in a crisis situation. The family members of the deceased have rubbished the report, calling it a cover-up.
So, of course, this seems like a conspiracy. It seems like a cover-up. We have put a case in the court, and I'm glad that Indian Express is following this so closely. This is the first thing that I woke up to in the morning. I read this. It's the first thing that I read on my phone, like how they have stated that these deaths did not happen due to shortage. And I was there, okay, when this happened. And when the hospital called us, I was there, like our family, because we were staying 10 minutes away. We reached on the spot. Of course, our mom by then was no more, but we could really see what was happening on the ground. People were coming with their own oxygen cylinders for their people. And like you could see that definitely this is oxygen shortage. There were fights happening over oxygen tankers, right? And then somebody to come up and say that this did not happen at all. This is just so insulting. I mean, our hopes, of course, are pinned to the judiciary. I really, really hope that this gets a fair trial.
Director of the hospital, Mr. Baluja, he spoke very clearly in his media interviews that there was a crisis of oxygen. The tanker did not reach on time, and just because of that, the deaths happened. This report that's submitted yesterday by Delhi Police, this is totally false. I mean, obviously, you just saw the summary of things. You did not do any sort of investigation, did not go into any sort of details. I mean, these people, they snatched their lives simply because of negligence. The director himself has told all the media that he knew that, he was chasing oxygen tanker from afternoon until evening, it did not come. So, I mean, what stopped you from informing families?
Of course, we will continue to fight till the very end. This case is still in the court. We do plan to, do everything that is in our power to go ahead and do to bring this in front of as many people as we can.
It's a total cover-up, and that's the reason we demand a proper investigation.